Morning, each and everyone. I am Brendel Ikrevas, who discuss about the music model of communication. So we create our own model, which is the music model of communication. So this models describes communication as a one-way process where the message moves from the sender to the receiver without feedback, and it focuses in effects or impact to the audience. So this model of communication, which is the music model of communication, it is focuses on the impact or effect to the audience, not to the feedback na ihatag sa receiver ngadto sa sender. So that's why this model of communication use a one-way process of communication. So there are 5 parts of the music model communication. First is the sender. So when we say sender, the sender initiates communication with a message. So the sender is the creator of the message, who create a message, formulating the idea or the information sharer. Information or tig-share siya information ang sender. Ang sender pod mag-formulate og ideas or the information to share. Unsa iyang information na i-share. Then encoding. When we see encoding, translating the idea into words, images, or gestures. So mao gihapon na siya lihok sa sender. So the second one is channel. So when we see channel, the channel is the means through which the message travels from the sender to the receiver. It can be verbal. So when we say verbal, it is a spoken words of a person over the phone or either in the video call. So another one is the non-verbal. So in the non-verbal, by body language or the gestures. And also in written or the digital. It can be emails, text, or any social media platforms na gumagamit nato para mag-send ta og message. And also letters, magamit sad nato siya nga medium para ipaagi nato didto para maabot sa receiver. So the third one is noise. So when we say noise, any barrier that can distort the message during encoding, transmission, or decoding. This can be physical noise, like sounds or semantic noise. When we say semantic noise, misunderstanding due to language or the cultural differences. So, dito sa physical noise. So, when we say physical noise, kanang makita dili nato makita, madungog nato sa mga kilid-kilid, like for example in a city ta, so banha kay sa atin ang mga sakyanan, highway ta, so banha kay mga sakyanan, that's why makakuan siya ang noise barriers. Then the semantic noise, misunderstanding due to language. So due to language, kung di mo magkasinabtan, it is because lahi mo og language or the cultural differences, lahi-lahi mong tinuhuan, lahi-lahi mong culture, traditions, beliefs, and practices. So, for the fourth one is the receiver or the audience. So, gikan dito sa noise, taam dyan na noise, mag-una dyan ng noise ay makuan sa receiver. So, dili matarang udong sa receiver kay pinaagi sa news. So, ang atong ika-4 or ika-4 is the receiver or the audience. The receiver is the individual or group who receives the message. They are responsible for decoding, interpreting, and understanding the message. So, kinahanglan nila i-understand ang message kay para masabtan nila kay ga-focus mo ta sa effect, dapat ilang masabtan ang message nga gipadala sa sender ay gikan sa sender ngadto sa audience or the receiver. The fifth one or the last one is the effects. So this focuses on the impact or influence that the message has on the receiver, such as changing their opinions, emotions, or behavior. So, diri siya nag-focus ang music model of communication para ma-change ang maka-change siya og opinions, emotions, or behaviors kung asa sila nga way mapaagi ma-change ang ila ang mga perspective about ato kay like for example ang gi-share sa sender is mga kasakit or mga sad moments. So, the audience or the receiver, ang iyang effects ato sa ilaa is nasakitan po sila. That's why nagdepende sa sa feeling sa ato ang sender. So, more to siya 5 ka part of the music model of communication. So, this is the process flow of music model communication. First is the sender who encodes message, channel, or the medium. So, ginadiscuss na ako na earlier na medium, pwede siya verbal, non-verbal, or the letter. Pwede siya na writing or either in digital. So, ang channel mo na siya mag-transmit sa message. Then, noise. Ang ikatuloy is noise. Pag-transmit ana sa kanang message, before siya maabot dito sa kuan, maabot na siya sa kanang receiver din pagkuan niya din noise, dili niya madtarong og dungog, di niya masabtan pag ayo. Sunod sa noise is the receiver. So, mo ni siya gatong tao or audience group or of people na naminaw or mostly receiver or the audience. Then the last one is the effects. So ang effects lagi mo dyan siya gina-focus sa music model of communication. Kay kung pariha-pariha siya sa Laswell model of communication ni Laswell. But kani siya pari-pariha sila pero naadyo sila kalahian gamay. So, ang effects niya, maudyoy iyang gi-focus. So, in this model, the receiver, wala siya time to give response or feedback to the sender because it is focusing the effects to the audience. So, kani nga model of communication is, wala siya focus sa feedback. Like I said earlier, that this model of communication focusing the effects or impact to the audience. So, that's all. Thank you.